Hey folks, let's go on with the idea that I had yesterday. I think it's the right idea to start working on, and that this can be this can be something small and useful, but can grow into a very big thing. And yeah, let's see a few things that I've been thinking. Uh, Basically, if I can solve a problem I have with my own websites, then I know I have something worth. Um, I think other people will have this kind of problem, many other people. So the problem is this: uh, basically, every website I build has some. Well, we have a few things that are common to all websites, right? All websites have a homepage. All websites have some kind of information. Many websites need to collect data. Many websites need to provide some kind of data to the users, and in many cases it's always the same stuff. We could have like I can go on and list a few scenarios and use cases I've been thinking about, but basically the idea is that I can create a baseline uh, tool that anyone can use um, to provide a subset of features that a website needs. Not every feature. This will not be a CMS, content management system. This will be like something that you can plug into existing websites. You don't need to rebuild your own website on top of this. This will be crazy to think, impossible. But I can provide little utilities one can um, basically install on their websites. And there are a few different ways to do so, but the easiest is to just create, you know, um, I can provide a script that people can just add into their website's code, um, or also provide add-ons for plugins for popular CMSs or platforms, and this will be uh, how we hook, how we connect the the website to the tool. The tool itself, it will be very very simple actually. Like I was thinking, we're gonna have like an admin interface, uh, super simple. But then, um, in this admin area, you can create stuff that you then are going to visualize in your site. Um, and then there's going to be like an API that provides information, retrieves information out of the our database, and there will also be a way to add information. So think about a form, um, yeah, even like a contact form. We need to add data to this, and then we can also provide like uh, well, the owner of the website will have like a dashboard where all the information is provided, but we can also create like a mobile app, like some sort of notification system. Even a desktop application could be. But I'm just like throwing ideas here um, into a bucket. I just need to start doing something, doing one thing, and we'll grow from there. The thing I will probably start with is uh, very, very simple. I want to create like a waiting list. So on all my websites, I have a waiting list. Not on all my websites, but on some specific websites. I have a waiting list for my AI workshop. I have a waiting list for my bootcamp, and also I have a newsletter sign up on my website, so people can sign up to my newsletter. And one of those signups is uh, just for the newsletter, simple sign up. And the other sign up is like you sign up to download my books. So there is a sign up and there is a download. Okay, so you're shown a specific page of the site after you sign up. And I think um, this is probably the same thing, but there is like a setting that you can redirect to a specific page after you sign up and confirm your email. So those are two forms. Simple, simple as that. They are just forms. Specific forms. They are not forms that are that complex. They are not multi-step. You just have like a simple input box for your email. We can also collect the name. Well, we can start with this and then maybe allow to have multiple fields. For example, maybe you need a checkbox that says I've read the terms of service of or whatever. This could also be interesting, and even the terms of service. We could also create a solution for this as part of the app, but this may be something that we can create later. And I think that I can start with this and then I can figure out if I'm on the right track or not. So this is everything because there is a part that is um, front end facing, so user facing. The user facing part will have the actual form is displayed. Then there is a website owner facing part, which basically is um, like uh, two steps here, two parts. One is creation of the form, and the second is visualization of the data that users inserted into the form. And it is not like a simple form builder, generic form builder, one like one thing that I can add later is a generic form builder, but those are specific things that do specific things. So a waiting list is very different from a newsletter sign up. There is a different messaging, there is a different behavior. And so this needs to be built in. Like you see on the list of things that you can create, that we have a waiting list. Oh yeah, I know this, how this works, and it's immediate. Like you don't need to do anything to add a waiting list to your site. You just need to maybe copy a script, um, and this is also part of the website owner facing stuff. It's integration with the website. I need to think about the ways we can integrate this into a website very easily. Yeah, I don't want I don't want to think about all the things that I can do here, because then I just get lost into uh, planning and analysis paralysis and overthinking. While the fact is, I don't really know if this is even a viable idea. So the moment I can see this working for my sites, then I know it's something that other people can use as well. And I have many, many other use cases, but those are just, this is just the beginning. And yeah, let's do it.